tutorial for students on how to navigate the social media, Simternship, or Mimic social platform. The Social Media Simternship is a simulation from the Student Company that allows you to apply theoretical knowledge by designing a social media marketing strategy. In this simulation, you will be working for Boohee Supply Company, where you will help the company optimize posts about their line of bags on its social media channels to generate interactions and conversions. In the Social Media Simternship, or Mimic Social, you can create and schedule ads for organic and paid social media posts. Use key performance indicators, KPIs, to monitor the success of social media marketing. Create attractive ads for marketing earned, owned, and paid content on social media. Try different promotional strategies. Analyze data to optimize reach on multiple social networks. Evaluate social media content and promotions to increase engagement and drive conversions. Maximize the benefits of promoted and organic posts. Manage a substantial advertising budget. Use different social media strategies to harness the power of influencers on social media. Open your browser and paste the following address: www.student.com, then click Login. Finally, enter your credentials to access the platform. To start the simulation, click the Go to Social Media Simternship button. The first screen includes an introductory video for the Social Media Simternship, or Mimic Social, with more detailed instructions on how to navigate the simulation. The simulation is divided into rounds, each with a specific scenario or task that you must complete. Each round includes an introductory video from your Vice President of Marketing. You will receive messages from the Vice President of Marketing with information that you can use to make decisions in the rounds in the Inbox tab. Additionally, you will help colleagues in the simulation by answering their questions about social media marketing in the Notification Hub. The Resources button appears in the lower right of the screen. Here, you will find social media audits, social media marketing trends, an influencer guide, and negotiation tips. In the Market Information and Scenario Overview sections, you can find the products, the market, a general analysis of the metrics used, and the budget, all of which you can use to stay organized. Each round includes different tabs for the assigned task, such as Create Organic Social Post, Create Paid Social Post, and Influencers. In these sections, you will create organic or paid posts to promote Boohee's OG bag line to the target audience. Likewise, you will negotiate and schedule influencers who can promote the company's products. The Results tab presents an overview of your progress. After each round, your results will be updated in this section that you can access at any time during the simulation. In addition, you will find indicators and metrics that will help you measure your performance and enable you to make decisions and improve your performance as you progress through the rounds. We urge you to explore and enjoy the features of this simulation.